this is a GE range microwave, and the turntable has stopped working. What you're going to do, you're going to take the screws off the bottom. We have one screw here, you have one screw here, you have one screw here. You might have to take the lamp screws out and remove the socket. I'm not sure yet. There's one screw here, and there's another screw. We're going to play it by ear here, and we're going to see what this takes off. Okay, so that's got everything loose up here. Now what you're going to see is connection here. You have to squeeze on both sides, and that'll remove the harness for the light bulbs. So we're going to do that. Just like that. And then here's the motor. 21 volts AC. Black and orange. Now, if this motor is bad, you just take one screw out here, and you're going to remove this wire here. And you take one screw out here, and I'm sure the plastic coupling you'll have to pull up. But I kind of wanted to see if it was just a wiring problem, because everything is mass produced, right? So I am going to take and just reseat this now that I got that connection, and just let it be, and I'm going to plug it in and see if that takes care of the problem. Now I realize this is on its side and that shouldn't matter. I'm going to plug it in. We have power, and let's just do express cook one. I think it wants me to set the clock up. Express clock. Okay, let's see where the clock is. There's the clock. Enter time, let's just say it's 8 o'clock. AM or PM. Okay. I don't know how to do this. AM. PM. Okay. Enter the month. Day, year. Okay. It's just say it. How's that? Now you're happy? Good. Now let's do the express cook. I can't see. There's no light inside. Okay. Let's shine a light inside there. Now inside I have attached this red piece of instruction paper, and we're going to see if it actually moves. And it does. Okay. So, if your turntable doesn't move anymore, all you have to do is just reseat this connector for the motor. And if that doesn't take care of the problem, take and just replace that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.